I'm sorry. I was wrong about the Ballcore version of the Super RS3M. The Super RS3M is a great cube, and when I tested them, it had cracked core. You can watch my previous video, and in my previous video, I mentioned that the Ballcore is cracking and you shouldn't buy this cube. So let me explain in detail. Recently, many of them who bought the Ballcore version had experienced that their Ballcore was cracking, and I'm unsure if it will be strong enough to withstand forces from drops during solves. Then about 1 week later, Moyu made a statement that it's not the Ballcore that is cracking, but the paint that overlays Ballcore which is cracking. They also demonstrated that the Ballcore is solid by doing a drop test, which is shown in the video. This video takes place in the Moyu assembly factory. They mentioned that the Ballcore version that was sent to Cubicle had corrosive UV glue. As a solution, Moyu has then changed the glue and changed the material used to produce the core and is confident about the quality. But I doubt, because my version wasn't the tester's version, and it's the mass-produced factory version, and I also have the same problem as the Cubicle. So what's the actual problem? Overall, even if the Ballcore is cracked or not, I still stand by my statement that the auto-alignment system doesn't work at all, and Moyu has to do something about it. This must have been a hard year for them after Yushengdu's case and the cracked core. Hope they will take this as a lesson to improve. All I can say is skip the Ballcore version and get the maglev version because the Ballcore doesn't auto-align the cube. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button.